Washington, unforgiving cold has punished the eastern third of the United States for the past 10 days. But the most severe winter weather conditions yet will assault the area late this week. First, a large and powerful storm will hammer coastal locations from Georgia to Maine with ice and snow. By Thursday, the exploding storm will, in many ways, resemble a winter hurricane, battering easternmost New England with potentially damaging winds in addition to blinding snow. Forecasters are expecting the storm to become a so-called bomb cyclone because its pressure is predicted to fall so fast, an indicator of explosive strengthening. The storm could rank as the most intense over the waters east of New England in decades at this time of year. In the storm's wake, the mother lode of numbing cold will crash south, likely the last but most bitter in the series of brutal blasts since Christmas Eve. The responsible storm is forecast to begin taking shape off the coast of Florida on Wednesday, unloading hazardous snow and ice in highly unusual locations not accustomed to such weather. The National Weather Service has already posted winter storm watches from Lake City, Florida, to Norfolk, Virginia. It is then expected to explosively intensify, buffeting the mid-Atlantic beaches and eastern New England, where winter storm watches have also been hoisted. The National Weather Service offers serving northeast Florida and southeast Georgia cautions that a nastier mix light freezing rain, light sleet, and light snow is expected to develop Wednesday with significant icing possible. In Charleston, 2.5 to 7 inches snow and sleet is forecast Wednesday, where the Weather Service warns to plan on difficult travel conditions. Get the latest news and updates emailed straight to your inbox. By submitting your email, you are agreeing to Fairfax Media's terms and conditions and privacy policy. From Norfolk to the Maryland and Delaware beaches, including much of the southern half of the Delmarva Peninsula, 7 to 15 centimeters of heavy snow are predicted from Wednesday evening to Thursday afternoon. Farther inland in the mid-Atlantic, near Interstate 95, the storm's exact track will be highly consequential. Current computer models suggest most, if not at all, snowfall will occur east of Washington and Baltimore on Wednesday night into early Thursday. But small shifts to the west could bring some snow to these cities. To the north, Philadelphia and New York have a better chance for a coating of snow, but, unless the storm edges closer to the coast, the more significant snows should remain to their east from Atlantic City to eastern Long Island, where at least 7 to 15 centimeters could fall late Wednesday to late Thursday. By the time the storm reaches the ocean waters east of Long Island and eastern New England Thursday, it will be explosively intensifying. The storm's central pressure will have fallen 55 millibars in just 24 hours, an astonishing rate of intensification. Some computer models are projecting a minimum central air pressure of below 950 millibars at its peak, which would be nearly unheard of for this part of the world outside of a hurricane, writes Mashable's Andrew Friedman. For comparison, Hurricane Sandy had a minimum central pressure of about 946 millibars when it made its left hook into New Jersey in 2012.